Hi, my name is Miss Williams, and I'll be teaching third grade here at Colonial Christian School. My educational background is a bachelor's in science and exceptional student education, K through 12. I have certifications in primary grades to third grade, drama 6 through 12, with reading and ESOL endorsements. I am happily married for over 8 years to a wonderful, handsome, godly man. His name is Chris. And we have two wonderful, smart, beautiful children, Lucas Anderson and Elizabeth May. And Lucas is 6 years old and Ellie is about to be 3. And they'll be starting here in the fall. Lucas attended preschool here at Colonial before, so I have a different parent's perspective first before becoming a teacher. I really wanted to work here, and when the opportunity came up, I was able to interview. I'm very excited to be here. Our entire family is, and we are just very excited to be here physically. Much needed, and we are here as a family to other families to support you guys. Me personally, I am here to support your children, and do know that as a mother, I am here to take care of them and to teach them, and I really look forward to them growing alongside with me. And as I am new here, and that's it. I hope we have a great 2020 to 2021. Looking forward to it. Thank you.